For this week, we thought we would give you a little bit more freedom. So, in the yellow column are the activities that we want everyone to complete. We have a Google Slides technology skills challenge for you. Each Google slide will ask you to do something like put in a background, add an image, use a certain font. Your novel study book recommendations for your classmates, we're going to finish that up. We have our spring skills is our math review for the year. You're going to finish that up from last week. And then we have here a summer bucket list for you. You can either write your own list or you can use the one that we have here for you to make up your own ideas. And then you'll share your favorites on Flipgrid. And then we have our FSD physical education challenges for you to do as well. So every single day you should be working on the yellow column. As you finish the yellow column, you will select the cell. Okay, that means that this is the box that you would select. And then you would go up here to more in your toolbar, and you're going to change the bucket. So my favorite color is sapphire blue. I would fill it in all blue. At this point, I'm not worried about whether or not I can see the text anymore because I'm done. All right, so anything that I finish, I'm going to turn blue. So by the time you are done on Friday, this whole column should be blue. Everything that you've done, you're going to come over here to the bucket, turn it your favorite color. Mine's blue. That's why mine's blue. All right. Then as you finish something in a row, so if I have my yellow column is blue for reading, that means that I have to now choose something else from my reading row. Okay, so once you finish the must do column, you pick something from the row. And so I love making picture collages. I think I'm going to finish this one. When I am done with it, I will turn it blue. That way, anytime my teacher logs on to my choice board through Google Classroom, they will see what I'm working on and what I am done with. And as soon as you are done on Friday, you will actually go up to the top here and you will select Mark as Done for your teacher to see that you were done with your activities from the week. Can you do more? Yes. Can you get a complete blackout? Of course. Okay. Anything that's assigned here has a link for you. So you would be able to go to what your teacher has assigned for you to see examples, to see ideas. It does not mean that yours has to look exactly the same. These are ideas for you. Remember, it is the purpose, not the final product. Okay? Have fun learning this week. Don't forget to pick up your materials. We have a schedule for you to follow. You'll either be picking up your materials on Friday or on Tuesday. And have a happy Memorial Weekend as well. Bye.